Hi there, this is Joanna Mercedes from Eden Hearthvine Properties. Today we are going to share something really special with you. I am right now actually in lovely 427 Lagunitas Avenue, Unit 303. It's the first time it's been on the market in 22 years. It's quite a special property. Initially built in 1967, it has some really nice detail, like this very pretty crystal door or glass pane door. And then it also, I'm going to turn this around, has this stunning panoramic view. Let's open this up. Look, the lake's right there. Oh my goodness. There's the lake. This actually has a walk score of 96. So if you love to bike or walk or have a nice little lunch at the lake, and eventually you'll be able to go to the Grand Lake Theater again. There's that beautiful marquee there, Grand Lake Theater. What an icon here in Oakland, California. This is definitely Shangri-La. You can come out here and relax after a busy day. Have some friends over. It's a very entertainment-friendly house. Oh, the sunsets here are fantastic. We're going to do this again at night, but I just wanted to show you daytime. You'll notice there's lots of wonderful natural light in this home, and it's really offset by these fabulous distressed whitewashed wooden floors, which are just a delight. I just really love the light color. Not too heavy or dark or shiny. It's finished with a satin finish from Bona, which is a nice Swedish product. So as you can see, a sectional fits very nicely into this space. So you can have your friends, family over, or just have it all to yourself and enjoy the heck out of it. So if you like to cook, this is a nice kitchen. It's got a really good work triangle. It has lots of nice storage. It even has a pantry style cabinet here. Brand new appliances. Stainless steel Frigidaire refrigerator. And a brand new beautiful double oven actually. And cooktop. Electric. Very nice. Beautiful cabinets, new sink with a garbage disposal and a nice faucet. Also, if you don't want to go downstairs and do your laundry, there's a wonderful in-unit washer dryer that lets you do as much laundry as you want to. Washes it and dries it. It's an all-in-one like they have in Europe. So yeah, and then you probably noticed on the floor there's just this fantastic mosaic that an artist did of the Oakland tree. So this is a true Oakland by Lake Merritt condominium. And then of course there's a nice little pocket door that opens and closes here in case you wanted to use this as an office or something other than a dining room. But it is a nice dining room. You can sit out here and see the lights and just have a lovely dinner. So we'll head over to the bathroom. Beautiful mirror. Nice lighting. Lovely pedestal sink. Brand new toilet as well. Comfort height for those of us that are tall. And this, let's peek behind the little silver hearts and see what we find. This is a jacuzzi tub. So for those of you who really like to de-stress, this is like going to the spa. You're never going to want to leave. It's just such a lovely space. This is the bedroom. Beautiful lighting. And another window. Yay! Beautiful tree outside this window. And you have not only one, but two closets. This huge mirrored double closet. And then you have another one. So it can be his or hers, his and hers, or it could be hers, or his. Whatever. you can just use the whole thing yourself if you're just buying this or moving in or needing a home of your own for the first time, or maybe you're downsizing. But what a lovely way to shelter in place and just enjoy your life. And you don't need a car necessarily because it's so close to everything. But, sorry about that. They do have a nice parking space downstairs with storage, and it's a very secure building. There are only 20 units here, and I've been here for about a month just helping my client prepare the home and make it nice. And I hardly see anybody. Everybody's at work or they're doing their thing. There's an elevator here. There are 2 sets of stairs, and there's also a roof patio, a rooftop deck, and it's lovely. You can have friends over, have some cocktails up there, have some nice hors d'oeuvres, go up and work on your laptop. It's a common area, but a lot of people aren't up there. I never really see anybody up there actually when I'm here. So it's just a great place to live. And give me a call, 510-502-7811. We'd be happy to fill out the appropriate paperwork so you can get inside and show you this lovely home and see if it's going to be something that is appropriate for you. It's actually listed at $599, and this is you can go as little as 3.5% down. This works with a CalHFA loan, to the best of my knowledge, where they pay the down payment and your closing costs depending on your income. They have raised the income requirements now, so I believe you can make even over $100,000 and still qualify for this. So it's a really great program, but also 25% down will work as well. If you have any questions about the home buying process, I'd love to share any information with you. I've been in the business since 2004 full-time. Before that, I was a fundraiser and a teacher. So that's how I designed my company, Eden Hearth, when I left one of the larger corporate companies. And we combined both of our loves, real estate and helping communities. So every time we help you buy or sell a home, we donate to your favorite charity straight from our commissions. So it's our motto is making the world a better place one home at a time, and we would love to help make the real estate experience a very good one for you, and keeping you at the center of our thoughts and your best interest at all times. All right, thank you so much. Look forward to meeting you. Joy Mercedes, Eden Hearth Fine Properties.